So you want to burn fuel better and faster? Well, firstly, that is not something respectable folks broadcast in this day and age. But your secret is safe with me, you dirty dog. Another tried and true modification we have been tinkering with is the MSD ignition upgrade. We got ours through Fastland Spares in Parmesan Noth, New Zealand's smallest city in the middle of Middle Earth. The good folks there can hook you up with matching high-powered coils and high-insulated, low-resistance spark plug cables. But your old coils will do fine. And as long as your cables use spiral-wound cores, you're good to go. The joy of this unit is simple. A capacitor holding 475 volts kickstarts each coil every revolution. That's 463 more volts than the factory 12. Multiplying the final charge dumped down the cord to the spark plug. Rotary engines have unique combustion chambers that require a lot of spark energy to burn fuel efficiently. Ported rotaries can load up on unburnt fuel at low RPMs, fouling plugs. This unit should be ideal for sorting that, as well as lowering your idle speed and gas bill slightly. In the next video, we'll cut together how Red installed his MSD package on his 12A 6-port and why he didn't pay a few pennies more for the fancier 6AL, featuring a rev limit function, timing curves, Bluetooth connectivity, its own app even.
Proof's in the pudding.
Along with what Red rates this modification out of 10 or 100 or whatever. Either way, hit the follow button to stay with the install process, a process that any combustion engine enthusiast can